AC1200 Dual Band Gigabit Router, Live Test, Speed, Range Performance Reviews. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a real-time tutorial of the AC1200 Dual Band Gigabit Router. If you're thinking about upgrading your home network or just want a reliable, budget-friendly router with optimal performance, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the setup process, show you live speed tests, check the range, and give you the honest reviews on how it performs in a regular home environment. Let's get into it. Unbox the router and make sure everything is in there, that is, router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and the quick start guide. Plug in the router into a power outlet and wait for the LEDs to turn on. It'll take about 30 seconds. Connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to the WAN port on the back of the router. Open up your laptop and connect to the default Wi-Fi network listed on the sticker. Both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands will show up. Type the default IP address into the browser. It is 192.168.0.1 for this model. Create a login password for the router admin page, then follow the on-screen setup wizard. Select the time zone, check that the internet settings are auto-detected, and confirm if everything looks alright. Rename both Wi-Fi networks to something that could be easily recognized and set up strong passwords for each. Save the settings and wait for the router to reboot. It'll take around a minute. Connect your phone to the 5 GHz band first and run a speed test. You'll get around 470 megabits per second down and 45 megabits per second up, which is close to your requirement. Switch to the 2.4 GHz band and do the same test. You'll get around 90 megabits per second down and 35 megabits per second up. Not bad for the longer range band. Now, move it to the other side of the house, about 40 feet away with 2 walls in between, and run another speed test. Now, you can stream a 4K YouTube video on your TV while testing a Zoom call on your laptop. Both will work smoothly without any buffering or lag. You can check the router's admin page again to see connected devices and set up basic parental controls. Enable the guest Wi-Fi to test it, separate from your main network for better security. Now, try downloading a large game update on your console while streaming music. Your Wi-Fi will be able to handle simultaneous tasks without choking. So, that was our full experience with the AC1200 Dual Band Gigabit Router. Honestly, for the price, it delivers solid performance, fast speeds, decent range, and easy setup. It's perfect for everyday streaming, gaming, and work-from-home use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Got questions or want to share your own experience with this router? Drop a comment below. We promise to get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world tech tests just like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.